Builders Mutual Insurance Company presents Toolbox Safety Talks. In this talk, we'll focus on fall protection. Falls are one of the most devastating types of injuries on a job site. When fall protection is in place and used properly, falls and fall-related injuries can be prevented. There are several types of fall protection available. Guardrail systems also aid in fall protection. Fall protection practices. Assess the job site to determine if the walking and working surfaces have the strength and structural integrity to safely support workers. Workers exposed to falling 6 feet or more from an unprotected side or edge should be protected by a guardrail system, safety net system, or personal fall arrest system. A personal fall arrest system consists of an anchorage, connectors, body harness, and may include a lanyard, deceleration device, lifeline, or suitable combination. Workers in a hoist area exposed to falls of 6 feet or more should be protected by either a guardrail system or personal fall arrest system. Employees exposed to a floor opening more than 6 feet above lower levels should be protected by personal fall arrest systems, covers, or guardrail systems. Employees using ramps, runways, and other walkways should be protected from falling 6 feet or more by a guardrail system. Employees engaged in roofing activities on low-slope roofs with unprotected sides and edges 6 feet or more above the lower level should be protected from falling by a guardrail system, safety net, personal fall arrest system, or a combination warning line system and guardrail system. Warning line system and safety net system, warning line system and personal fall arrest system, or warning line system and safety monitoring system. Employees engaged in roofing activities on steep roofs with unprotected sides and edges 6 feet or more above the lower level should be protected from falling by a guardrail system with tow boards, safety net, or personal fall arrest system. Guardrails. Guardrails protect you from falls that can seriously injure or even kill. The amount of protection guardrails provide depends on how they are constructed and maintained. Most guardrails are built of strong materials and are usually solid when first put up. However, guardrails are often abused, weakened, broken, or removed and not replaced. Weakened guardrails are sometimes more dangerous than no guardrails at all because they give a false sense of security. As you go about your job, get into the habit of checking guardrails. If you discover a weakened or missing rail or section, correct the situation if you can or report it so that the hazard can be eliminated. If you bump a rail with material or equipment, check to see if it is weakened. If you discover a broken rail, upright, or tow board, repair it if you can. Otherwise, report it so it can be repaired. When repairing or replacing guardrails, use caution as you are exposed to the very danger that you are providing protection against. Thank you for watching. Visit buildersmutual.com/rm for easy access to Toolbox talks and sample safety programs.